Hey everybody, Amanda here with some very exciting late-breaking news about the Rolling Bones tour. Now, we're really excited to be seeing so many of you in person, but a lot of you also said, hey, I live in other places besides Seattle, Minneapolis, Chicago, Boston, DC, Philly, and New York City. I am sad. And we said, oh no, we're also sad, but we can only go to so many physical places at once. So we have been working very hard behind the scenes to get ready to do audio and video recordings of every dang stop on this tour. And that means that no matter where you live, if you buy a ticket to a Rolling Bones tour date, maybe more than one because you're a special superstar, you will get a high quality audio and video recording of the show emailed to you afterward. I'm literally going to go from the stage to my laptop, get the video and the audio files ready, and email them to you all as soon as I humanly can after the show. We are so excited that we can involve more of you than can fit in these physical rooms that way, and we are making that offer even sweeter because anyone who buys a ticket or will buy a ticket to the show will get digital bonuses as a thank you. We're going to send you a digital tarot pack of the Spirits Major Arcana and Cups Booster Tarot deck so you can enjoy the beautiful art by Zoe Polando Writer there on your device. And you will also, additionally, get a $10 off coupon for the new upcoming Join the Party dice set. That's right, we are cooking up some brand new dice for Join the Party. We could not be more excited. We're going to be doing 7 unique live shows on the tour, all right? There's no repeating of segments here. So we are extremely excited to be dropping the set list for the Rolling Bones tour. In Seattle, for example, here on March 21st, we are going to play the age-old, is it Pokemon or is it a yokai for the Spirits half of the show? And we are going to be doing a one-shot in Campaign 1. Okay, people? I will be reprising our favorite rogue, Inara. Brandon will be playing Tracy. Julia will be playing a character. Eric will have to remember all of his NPC voices. It's going to be incredible. The next night in the Twin Cities, we're going to be doing some live urban legends for Spirits, and we're going to be doing a session set in Campaign 2. Okay? Milo and his fat ass. We got what was my character's name? We got Multi-Tool, all right? We got Aggie O'Hare. We got Val Vesuvio. I can't wait to see what Julia's going to wear for Val. It is going to be absolutely incredible, okay? That's the Twin Cities. Then in Chicago on March 24th, again, you can buy a ticket online, get the VOD right after. We're going to be playing Where in the World is El Chupacabra for Spirits. I only know the titles for these segments of what Julia's come up with, so I cannot wait. And we're going to be playing a session in the Campaign 3 universe, all right? So you get to see us be Troy and Umbi and Cammy right in front of your eyes. Then in Boston, we're doing Paint Me a Picture. Julia is going to be describing things, making us draw on stage in front of you. Kind of terrified. It's going to be great. And another one-shot set in Campaign 1. So a different one, different plot, different scenario, but we're still playing your beloved characters of Inara, Tracy, and question mark for Julia. You're going to have to come and see. Then in New York City, we'll have a Creepy or Cool for our hometown crowd and another one-shot set in Campaign 2. I'm very excited because my dad, who bought me my first Leatherman, is going to be in attendance, and so he can watch me play Multi-Tool. And then in Philly, how do we start the Trojan War? That's the question of the day, and that's what we're going to be doing as we then follow up for the Join the Party half with a second one-shot set in Verda Stello of the Campaign 3 universe. And then finally, closing it out in DC, we're going to be doing some DC Capital Urban Legends and a one-shot set from the Campaign. So if you want to see us play those beautiful, beloved, awkward teenagers of Carrie Ann Price and Les and Phoebe, you gotta come to DC or buy a ticket to the DC live show. I am so excited. So again, VODs will be available for all of the Rolling Bones tour stops. If you cannot come in person, we don't want this to stop you from being stoked. Come and join us, buy a ticket, and you will get that email to you after the show. And everybody who has bought a ticket or will buy a ticket will get those digital thank yous of the digital tarot pack and a discount on the upcoming Join the Party dice. Alrighty. By the way, if you're going to be a superstar and buy tickets to 4 or more of our live shows, maybe all 7 because you're an extra bonus party star, we'll send you a signed poster signed by all 4 of us. I'm not joking. We're going to do it. It's going to be incredible. I can't wait to mail out tons of posters. So join us now. Go to multitude.productions/live to buy tickets to all of the shows if you're a star or just a couple. We want you to be able to pick the show with the segments that make you the happiest. So go on over, check out our set list on social media at Multitude Shows. You can see that breakdown and also in the episode description. Thank you so much for your support. We're so excited to see you or for you to see us on the tour, and we'll talk to you soon. All right? Buy the tickets. Come to the show. Bye.